Welcome to another episode of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. In this video, we shall see some more words and phrases on rain. These are the words used in daily conversations that you'll hear often from people. And since you want to speak like a native, you can learn these easy ones. The words you can use in your daily conversations, and you'll also hear them a lot. And this one is a very short video. There's severe rain or heavy rain and wind on top of that. சோனு மழை பெய்யுது உசுன்னு காற்று வேற. In Tamil we use சோனு meaning heavy rain or severe rain. Whenever people want to mention heavy rain, they use the sound சோனு மழை. உசுன்னு காற்று வேற. This Ussu is similar to ush that we use in English. Us, shush, wind. Ussu kaat. When you speak like this, you will really impress a native speaker over your minute details of the language. Chon mara peydu. Ussu kaat vera. Here, vera in the phrase is to mean in addition to that. The rain is just uncontrollable. Mara veluthu vaangudhu. This veluthu vaangudhu is a spoken phrase that we use in many contexts, meaning it's just getting extreme and unleashing. The lawyer just argued like anything in court. Veluthu vaangitaru, meaning argued at his best, amazing level. You had all just to sit and watch and could not even react. So you can get the meaning now. We use it figuratively for rain, a sportsman, performance, many things. The rain is just uncontrollable. Mara veluthu vaangudhu. Vida mara, non-stop rain. Vida mara. And pei mara means horrible or devil-like rain. Pei means devil, and we use all these phrases commonly, and we use it for even the wind. Pei kaathu, terrible wind. The rain doesn't seem to stop at all. Mara vidra madri theriyala. This is simple straightforward phrase. Mara vidra madri theriyala. மழை விடுற மாதிரி தெரியல. மழை விடுற மாதிரி தெரியல. And finally, a very interesting word, நல்ல மழை. You might think it's a good rain, but what does good rain mean? It depends on how you say that. When you say நல்ல மழை, it means intense rain, heavy rain. If you ask people, how is the rain there? They would say often, Nalla Mara means very rainy. But it can also mean adequate rain or sufficient rain, the way you say that. This year there was adequate rain, enough for the crops and vegetation. Nalla Mara in the Varsham means enough rain or good rain in this year. When you just sharpen your ear and hear out with these minute details, the language learning gets interesting than ever before. Nalla mara, good rain or enough rain. Nalla mara, heavy rain. Now, dear learners, now that you learned these minute details and a lot of words, a lot of phrases, you need to keep revisiting them to use them, right? But how do you do that in an easy method? In order to make it all easy for you, you will see a lot of these phrases and many more in Instagram regularly. A few seconds is all that you will be spending, and you will feel more and more comfortable with the language. You feel like you already know the language. The Instagram channel is Learn Speak Tamil. You can follow the Instagram to learn a lot of words, a lot of phrases, revisit whatever you have learned so far. You can also check the 180 plus videos already in this channel, which can take you to level of intermediate to advanced level, and many of the learners have already achieved it. You can check the description for more information. All the very best and have a fantastic day and a very safe day. Vanakkam.